are going to discuss about a very basic thing about IELTS, and there are a number of students who are even know about what's IELTS and what is the full form of it and what kind of modules it have and how they can approach to the best training program. So here I would like to talk about IELTS, the basic things, all the basic things which are related to IELTS. So first of all, what's IELTS? IELTS. Number of people pronounce it as IELTS, which is a wrong thing because it's IELTS, not ILETS. So the full form of it is I stands for international, E stands for English, L for language, and T for testing, finally S for system. So it's a basically what? It's a basically international level English language testing system, which means that on the international level someone is going to check your English language, and basically it is a full system which is going to test your ability of English language on the international basis, right? So now comes to the types of it. It has two types. First one is IELTS academic and the second one is IELTS journal training. As academic for the students who are wishing to study abroad. So basically this is for the study purposes. And as journal training is for what? As journal training is for those candidates who wish to work abroad and they want to settle over there. So this is for the work purposes or for the living purposes who wish to settle over there. So mostly I can say that 80% students or 80% individuals in the country or on the student basis, they wish to do as academic because they have a lot of study purposes. So first, now we are going to discuss about the 4 modules of it. Both these tests, whether it is IELTS academic or whether it's IELTS journal training, are consisted of 4 modules. First one is reading, second one listening, third one writing, and fourth one is your speaking module. In the reading module, there are number of passages or reading passages which you are going through of the full passages and attempt all the questions which are given by the test system to you. In the listening, there is a booklet of listening, and as well as you have to hear the audio and you have to answer the questions which are given in the booklet. Next one is writing, and writing is basically to check your writing abilities of English. So last one is speaking, and that is a very important task. They are going to check your English language, that how fluently you are speaking English and are you capable to talk with the people over the abroad. So this is same for the both things. Journal training is also consists of 4 modules. First one is reading, second listening, third writing, and fourth is speaking. But the case is this, the reading module and the writing module, both are different in your journal training test, right? For this, the whole reading is very different from this thing, and the whole writing is very different from the writing of academic, right? Okay, so in the next video I'm going to discuss about the reading module and thoroughly so that you guys are going to understand what is the reading module and how to attempt the reading. So till then, just like and comment and just share the video as much as you can. So thank you so much for this.